morning.
Good morning.
So we are back again. We're still not sailing. We are still doing jobs.
Yep.
We don't know for how much longer, but yeah, we're hanging in there. We just brought a bunch of stuff with us today. The kind of boat moving process has begun to live aboard, so we're just kind of moving everything over. That's the sails and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, today I'm going to try and finish the radar off. It's really cold. It's freezing, but we'll see how we get on. We're just discussing our plan of action.
Yeah.
So far it's 9 AM and probably some Doritos to get us motivated. So in the hopes of making the riveting a bit easier, because obviously I struggled a lot last time with the riveting tool, on our YouTube someone recommended we get this to pop onto the end of our drill. And we've just tried it and the drill is not strong enough. And we're going to go to Screwfix, well we're at Screwfix now, and we're going to see if we can get a more powerful drill. No worries, take care, thank you.
Cheers, have a good day.
Yes.
I love tools.
Here's a tool.
Bazinga!
This legend has just been up the mast.
I hated it.
I've been up today to drill a couple of holes for the safety line which attaches the radar to the mast if something should happen to the mount. So I drilled the holes and then again I was the issue and I could not use the riveting tool. It's my arch nemesis, so I was going to keep trying because obviously I didn't want to put Bryn up there because, like, you know, you are scared of heights and I don't mind them, so I would have just felt really bad, but Bryn just straight up volunteered.
I did volunteer.
Bryn volunteered to go up. Our lovely neighbours Philippa and Steve lent us their mast ladder, so we put that up and Bryn hiked his little way up the mast.
Yeah, I'm just going to say though, like, the strength that is needed to put the rivets in snapped our rivet tool that attaches to the drill. So luckily it didn't hit anything when it fell from the height, but that is why it is really hard to put these in. So
but old muscles over here managed it. Well,
it snapped, so
yeah. But yeah, like, he's absolutely smashing it, and now he's gonna put the radar up. Is that all right?
Yeah.
So it's mostly gone okay. Bryn has installed the radar like an absolute legend, but we have got a casualty of the work.
It's pretty.
Bryn's beloved combat trousers. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. So what we got to do now?
Got to drill a hole just where the radar mount is for the cable, and then we've got to feed the radar cable down the mast. And I've heard that this is always an easy bit.
Lies.
Lies.
Did you enjoy going up the mast? Was it as scary as you thought?
There were moments where it was scary. There was moments where it was scary. But overall, I enjoyed it. It wasn't too bad. I'm glad I overcame my fear.
I'm proud of you.
Proud of you too.
Bryn's just drilling a hole for the cable to run through the mast. It sounds like he's struggling a bit though.
It's basically this bit here that goes outside the hole or inside the hole cutter. The other one, I've put it away now, but the other one was just blunt and just wasn't going in and we were just using so much energy.
Are you doing it or do you want me to try?
You can do it.
He's been trying for a long time and he's been like up and down the ladders like 10 times, haven't you?
Yeah.
I haven't used the ladders yet, I'm kind of scared. See you later.
See you in a bit. So, little update. We got the hole drilled for the cable and the cable's just there.
Yep.
We tried putting the cable down first with it getting stuck at some point. So now we're going to try a messenger line. Fingers crossed we can get this all done today. Hopefully.
We're at a time limit. The sun will be setting.
We're so dead. We are literally dead. We've been up and down this mast about 20 times.
We are honestly exhausted. It's taken all of our willpower.
It really is.
Carry on.
It's cool.
It's cool. Yep.
The wire is in the mast. The cable is linked to the radar. We just haven't put it through the deck and onto the boat because we're tired now.
Our arms are aching. And we have run out of time, like the sun's starting to set now.
Yeah.
Carry on next time.
1 week later.
You would have seen we worked together and we got it done. The cable's on the mast, it's all on the scan strut mount.
We did.
And then now we've just got to feed it through the deck. So we've
got this particular one because you can drill any size hole in this. So when we went to the chandlery, I totally forgot what size cable, and because we got to put, there's like a little thing on the end as well, so we drill a hole, cut a little slot in it so that you can kind of just wrap it around and then compress it nice and tight, and then yeah. Just tighten this on. Bob's your uncle. It's easy peasy.
That should do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's on. Rebel using a straight head for a cross. You want to watch the world burn, you do.
We just smashed
We smashed that. That went really well, really smoothly. So we'll just obviously show you the wire has run back from here along here.
Somewhere up there. Still got to wire this in and put power to it and just finish it off, babe. We'll do that now, I think. Oh, box. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm sorry for swearing.
I'm glad I caught that.
No, it's alright. It just, I pulled the thing out. Got to reconnect these up.
I'm in a bit of a mare with this, aren't you?
It's not going great. It's just, I've got to connect positive and negative. Simple as that. But it's just really awkward to get
small space in there.
Really small space. So I'm gonna have to reconnect it and try again. I was so close then. It will fit. As Jade, as soon as these wires are on, the radar should work. This is how close we are. We've managed to get radar working. It's freezing cold, it's very late, but it's finally working. We've still got to get the head-in sensor hooked up via the SIMnet something or other. We need to get another cable, I think. I'm not 100% sure on that, but the radar works, it's just not pointing in the right direction and we can't overlay it yet. As soon as we get the head-in sensor working, it'll be sweet, but what a win.
Little romantic setting, isn't it?
Cute little romance.
Cute little romance. We'll do the Lady and the Tramp.
It's recording.
That is good news. Hey guys.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey guys. We thought we'd just give you a little kind of summary of what we've been up to this weekend. We're still obviously weekends only at the minute. This guy with his job, am I right?
Sucks.
I know. So obviously we've tied to Birmingham during the week. still at the minute, but that's only until May sometime. So we've been down this weekend and we've been really busy.
We have indeed.
Yeah, busy, and also like we've actually achieved quite a lot. We've done really well, I think.
The radar is now fully installed, and it was such a big job, like way bigger than I think either of us expected.
Yeah, we knew it'd be like difficult, but it was longer than we thought. Like the things that we didn't think would be that hard took forever. We
was missing a cable, so like with any of these jobs, you have to go to the chandlery like 1,000 times.
And on Sundays here, a lot of them are closed, so we had to drive.
Yeah.
That takes like an hour 80 day already. The AIS isn't working with the chart plotter.
It seems to be that there's stuff happening, but it's just not overlaying over the chart plotter, so I know that there's a configurator. There's something wrong with it. So, and it's hurting my brain. And we have one job left with the B&G installation. Yeah. Which we might attempt to do.
It has been raining and quite windy today, but it's died down now, so I might get up the mast and add the wind indicator on. And just got to drill 3 holes. Theoretically, it's easy. Drill 3 holes.
3 holes. 3 screws.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Done.
Done.
When will we go sailing?
When will we go sailing?
So, we want to go sailing. We need to get some experience and we need to get out and sailing.
We're still hoping to go to the Med this year, obviously, as well.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
So before we can go sailing, we want to get all these little installations fully completed, problem-free, because once we leave this marina, we're not coming back to this marina. Yeah. And so all the jobs that we got getting done here and all the people that are helping us and things like that, we just want to get everything done here. Yeah. So this is why it's taking a bit of time to go out sailing. Yeah. We obviously would love to be out right now. We've got loads and loads of jobs to do, but we are only doing the essential ones that we kind of need. We're not like doing all the little cosmetic jobs and stuff. Like as soon as we can, like we will be out, and then we'll do all the rest of the jobs just as we're cruising and sailing and whenever we can. Really. Pretty much. That's the plan. So that's where we're at. There's not too much to do. So to the answer to the question, when will we go sailing? Soon. Hopefully soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for bearing with us. Thank you everyone that's helped us over on Instagram. Yeah, of course. Always thank you to our Instagram family who are amazing. And yeah, if you're enjoying us so far, then you're really going to enjoy us more in the future because we're going to be doing so much more exciting stuff. And so if you've been bearing with us for this journey so far, stick with us a bit longer and it's going to be much better, I think. I promise. I want to go free diving and I want to go spearfishing. Like I just want to go out in the water and play. We just want to cook good food, play in the sea, relax, drink, good to do some epic sailing. Yes. In fact, meet some cool people. We have some really good sailing plans for even before we leave the UK. Yeah. Like some things that we want to do that I think is really cool that if you're a sailor, you might like a lot. Yeah. Oh, cliffhanger. Oh. He's lying really, just trying to get you to watch the next video. Please subscribe. Yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye. See ya. What do you think of Bryn's haircut? I did it myself in case you couldn't tell. We've been watching too much Vikings. I cut mine too. No one's going to be able to tell because it doesn't look as drastic as yours. No one will know. I like it. Yeah. Thank you for doing my hair. You're welcome.